All right, so we're still discussing learning, the procedures of learning, different forms of learning, different methods of learning. Psychology assessment 17, question 19. Operant conditioning is blank. So, operant conditioning is a form of learning where responses are enhanced or weakened, can cause an extreme changes in behavior. So, can cause extreme changes in behavior. Now we're going to clarify exactly what this means, enhance or weaken. Once again, it's a form of learning. So operant conditioning. The best way to describe this is through example. So I'm going to give you an example with a monkey, some type of cage, like an incarceration box, or all right, and then two buttons, a green button and a red button. All right, so we have the monkey. He's incarcerated, and within the cage, he has two buttons, a green button and a red button. Now, the green button, every time the monkey presses the green button, he will get awarded a piece of banana, a little slice of banana. Now, every time the red button is pressed, the monkey receives a zap, a jolt of electricity will surge through his body. All right, he will be electrified or electrocuted. All right, so we place this monkey inside the box with the two buttons. Throughout time, he's probably just gonna wander around. He's gonna look around. Okay, he might even try to get out through, you know, he's not getting out. All right, he's just gonna wander aimlessly until he finally realizes there's a button. All right, he finally discovers the button. What happens when he discovers the button? He goes ahead, he presses the green button, clink. He's awarded a slice of banana. There is a high probability or a high possibility that he's going to press the green button again. All right, why? Because he was awarded a piece of banana, something positive, right? Now, what will occur if he goes ahead and he's a little scientist, he's on a desperate search for new information, right? So he goes ahead and he's like, hey, this green button gave me a slice of banana. Let's see what this red button will do. He goes ahead and he presses the red button. Zzz, he gets zapped. All right. Throughout time, every time he presses the red button, he will realize, hey, listen, every time I hit this red button, I'm getting electrocuted and I'm getting zapped. And you know what? I don't like getting zapped. This hurts. This is weakened. So these responses, this response, him pressing the red button, will become weakened and he's less likely to perform the behavior because he's receiving a jolt of pain every time he presses the red button. The enhanced response will be him or the monkey pressing the green button because he receives food. All right, so that's basically what operant conditioning is, right? It's a form of learning where responses are enhanced or weakened, can cause extreme changes in behavior. I would consider this more of like a experimental procedure, learning method. Like it takes time for someone to learn, so you'll have to fail first in order to learn how to win.